cracked all the way out. All the way down there. Stops there. It's also cracked from there to there. It's also cracked from there to there. So, some of this stuff, which is bumper repair. Stainless steel mesh. The plan is, because I can't get one of these, unavailable. I've looked everywhere, eBay, everywhere, nothing. Can't get replacements. So also there, I've already done that bit. So the plan is, somebody's tried to repair it with plastic weld. I've super glued it ready. So I've cut some of this to size, melted into the cracks, fibreglass over the top, sand it all down, spray it. And it should be good. I think it's just $5.99. So hopefully fix the foot tray, whatever it is. So all's left in a more bit to do now. Might be it.